Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be making enoki beef roast. So let's start cooking. This is how they will look like, the beef roast. I will show you how to make this. I'll be making 8 of this. I will be using 250 grams of shabu beef. These are very thin sliced beef. 150 grams of enoki mushroom. Kindly cut off the roots, wash them and pat them dry. Next, I'll show you how to wrap this up. Take 2 slices of the beef, lay them out flat on a plate, overlap them by approximately half of it. The enoki mushroom, I've divided them into 8 portions, so just put it somewhere on, right, approximately about the same size away. Just roll this up first. Make sure you roll them tightly because we don't want them to open up when we actually fry them. So to make it easier for me, I'm doing this. So with the other piece, just press down as how you will roll it, so that it will not open up when you actually pan fry this. So this is one of them. Continue with the rest. After this is done, we'll pan fry this and I'll show you how to make the sauce. This is a very easy dish to make. In a lot of Japanese restaurants, you can actually see this on their menu. Super easy and very tasty. Later when we pan fry this, we'll pan fry this closing end first, so that it will not open up that easily. Before we pan fry the beef roll, I would advise to make the sauce first, and I'll show you now how we do it. Inside this small mixing bowl, I have 3 tablespoons of water. I'll add in 5 grams of grated ginger, 1 grated shallot, 1 clove of garlic, also grated. Put them all inside this mixing bowl. 2 tablespoons of mirin or sweet cooking wine. 2.5 tablespoons of Japanese soy sauce. If you don't have Japanese soy sauce, you can use your regular soy sauce. And 1 tablespoon of honey. If you do not want to use honey, or if you don't have honey at home, you can replace it with sugar, with half a tablespoon of sugar. Mix them up well together. After this is done, we'll go and pan fry the beef roast. Heat up a pan, pour in some oil. Now make sure that the pan is hot and well coated with the oil. We need to sear the beef and seal the juices in. When you fry, make sure that the closing point goes down first. Okay, let me show you how we do it. Very carefully put it in. I'm just moving the oil around so that the beef will have contact with the oil, and this will release some of the fats from the beef out and make it tastier. This is pretty quick, as you can see. Like this, one side is done already. You just need to turn to the other side, beautifully seared like this. This will be so good. Now when you turn to the other side, we'll put in the sauce. Just pour the sauce over the meat. Look at how beautiful this dish is. We just need to reduce this a little bit and we can serve this. Wow, smells fantastic. This dish is super easy to make, so please do try this at home. I'm sure your family will love this too. So once the liquid has been reduced, it's time to actually serve them. The beef are done already. As with the enoki, they are soft already, so we'll serve this now. So ladies and gentlemen, this is how we make our enoki beef roast. I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.